Hello, my friends. I am Rashail Anwar, and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is Back to School Kit Poem, Unit number 14, Grade 5, Part 1, Balochistan Textbook Board Quetta. Pencils, sharpeners, rubbers, pens. At last, a chance to see your friends. Highlighters, folders, books, glue. Make sure your ink is black and not blue. Notepad, scissors, markers, ring, binders, and you have clipped in your color dividers. Protractor, tape, set square, pencil case. Check it to see that all is in place. Files, calculator, ruler, gym shoes, and that's the whole kit all ready to use. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you all had fun learning about Back to School Kit Poem. Make sure to subscribe our channel, Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the part 2.